Please welcome co-founder and executive director of Watershed Management Group, Lisa Shipek, sharing about their River Run network.
Can you remember the first time you donated to a cause? At the age of 10, I had started babysitting, and I used my earnings to become a member of the World Wildlife Fund and concern for our disappearing rainforests. My deep connection to nature led me to study environmental science in college. Graduate school brought me to the U of A. However, I wouldn't settle here, telling my husband that Tucson didn't have enough water to be sustainable. After working in the rainforests of Central America, I missed the old Pueblo, and I realized I could have the biggest impact at home. The little girl that wanted to save the rainforest became the woman that wanted to save the desert and make Tucson a sustainable city I could call home. My name is Lisa Shipek, and I have dedicated my life to this cause as the co-founder and executive director of Watershed Management Group. To fix our water crisis, we need to understand the story of Tucson's rivers. The Santa Cruz River was once a lush oasis with regular flows that supported the oldest known agricultural community in the US. During the baby boom era, Tucson grew wildly, and we happily watered our lawns and paved over the desert, while we overpumped our groundwater and sucked our rivers dry. This water crisis remains today, because instead of fixing the problem, we diverted our straws to the Colorado River. Not surprisingly, the Colorado River is also going dry due to hungry water users and ongoing drought. When Arizona declares a water shortage, who is preparing Tucson for this deepening crisis? Watershed Management Group is leading the way, empowering thousands of people every year to conserve water, recharge our aquifer, and restore the Sonoran Desert. We're harnessing the power of this collective action through the River Run network to restore our heritage of flowing rivers. Consider this. Each year, more rainwater falls on the city of Tucson than the entire amount of water the city uses from the tap. We're demonstrating this abundance at our Living Lab and Learning Center, where 100% of our water needs is met through rainwater harvesting. Through the River Run network, we're scaling up this work across Tucson, from Sabino and Tanque Verde Creeks to the Pantano and Rillito Rivers to the Santa Cruz River. We're implementing river restoration projects, developing the science to restore flowing rivers, and mobilizing people, harvesting rainwater, planting trees, and monitoring stream flow. I'd like to ask each of you to join the River Run network, not merely to save water, but to save Tucson from our water crisis. Our goal is to raise $250,000 annually. For $100, you can fund a community outreach event. For $500, a river restoration project. For $25,000, you can fund the science and advocacy work to double our impact in 2018. We will see our rivers flow again. Join me tonight, and together we can create a prosperous Tucson oasis. Thank you.